Hey guys, Jerry from Showtime Audio. So we're working on this Chevy Caprice dash for Sean. How you doing, Sean? So it's finally finished. He's been very patient. We've been a little busy, but we wanted to make something that mounted in the car as if it came with it, with a trim panel and everything, and still have it serviceable. So this is what we came up with. So this is one of the Holley 12.3-inch digital dashboards, and obviously not for this car. So what we did is, we designed and machined this ABS so that the Holley dash bolts using all these 6 bolts. And then we built these little brackets, and this whole assembly bolts here. So if you ever have to remove it, you can undo these 2 screws and that whole entire assembly removes. So it makes it super mounted. A lot of times they're just kind of like rigged in there. He wanted it to be secure. So, and then the other nice thing that we did is, so we machined this panel and it's on magnets. So that basically keeps it in the car. And the nice thing is there's no fasteners. So it's finished and all you see is the screen, but there's no fasteners. But if you ever need to get it off, you can remove it. So if you ever need to put it back on, all you do, snaps right back on. You can remove it. Snaps right back in place. And then this can also be, if they want to change it, finish it differently, they could. But now it's all nice and secure, and it looks as if it could have came with the vehicle.
Visit our website at showtimeaudiochicago.com.